Hello everyone. So today we are going to see about Netcut tools. So before that, this video is for educational purpose. Please don't use unnecessary for any Wi-Fi network. So be careful for that. So Netcut tool is, if you are having your Wi-Fi set up in your home and you are a little bit worried like someone is using your Wi-Fi, and you may get message like you're consuming your data. So you can use this tool and disconnect people whom you don't know. So what you have to do, you have to just download Netcut from this link and install it, and check whether WinPack is installed in your system or not. So the moment when you are downloading it, Netcat, and trying to install, WinPack is going to be installed in your system, and you will able to see the Netcut. So I already installed that one. So you have to follow these all steps, and after that Netcut is going to be installed in your system. I'll just show you the demo. So I already having Netcut installed in my system. So here you can see the Netcut software in my system. Yeah. So what you need to do after installing Netcut, your like that icon will come. You need to right click it, and always you need to run as an administrator. So you have to always run as an administrator. So after running it, you will able to see all the list of host name which is connected to your Wi-Fi network. So you will get to know like how many members are currently using your Wi-Fi, and this technique mostly used for the open Wi-Fi network, where so many users are getting connected, and if someone wants to disconnect some people for not to use that Wi-Fi, so that they can that people can use this technique to disconnect that people. So suppose you can see here so many options are there: cut off, resume. We can find the IP as well. Suppose let me show you. See, in my Wi-Fi, one Lenovo host name is Lenovo, and their IP is this, and that guy is using my Wi-Fi network. So I can just click here and I can just cut off. So here you can see the red mark came. That means for that members, net is getting disconnected, and they may not have the access of that Wi-Fi. So internet is not going to work in their system. So I just make it as resume. So if you want to again give some access, just click there and just click on resume. So after that guy can able to use the Wi-Fi again. So this is one of the tool where you can cut off some of the host name which you don't know, and which is unnecessarily getting connected to your Wi-Fi. And it's a very very useful tool, but mention this is for educational purpose. Don't use this for for any Wi-Fi network, and unnecessary, please don't use to cut any person from any Wi-Fi network. This I feel like I want to get the information about that. So you can just play around it, and don't use any unnecessary purpose for cutting anyone from the Wi-Fi network. So this is all about this Netcut tool. And one more thing, after installing Netcut, and you want to defend something, like you can use Netcut Defender. You can download Netcut Defender from the same website, same link, Netcut Defender, so that no one can disconnect you. So there is one more software called as Netcut Defender also. You can try. You can just go through this website, and you will got to know so many things, and so many documentations are there. You can go through the documentation also. So my purpose for today's video is to give you little bit introduction about the Netcut, like maybe someone can disconnect you from the Wi-Fi network. So it's not like that you are secure, no one can disconnect you from any Wi-Fi network. So this is the way, or this is one of the way to disconnect you from Wi-Fi network. So be careful about that. So yeah, so please play, you can play around Netcut. And at the last, I just want to tell you, use it for the you know just for the educational purpose you can use. And just go through this all steps and download it and just play around it. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.